though I was 100 kgs 2 months back, 2 months, 10 days actually, as on today, I've lost about 18 kgs. That is a side extra benefit for me, but I mainly got it operated for diabetes. I used to take 72 units of insulin and about 15 tablets every day. Now I take only one tablet, and doctors have promised me it will continue for another 6 months and I'll be out of even that. So, in fact, I have contacted many hospitals from Mumbai, Delhi and other places. All of the doctors, many of my relatives there inquired and pointed out Dr. Ramesh as the best person, and who's brought almost laparoscopic to Bangalore, I was told. So you can just bet, no side effects, nothing. And madam was asking about the pain. I'll say that it is less painful than taking 2 injections every day.
I was weighing 152 kgs in the month of April when I got into Vikram Hospital for the surgery. And today I am weighing 107 kgs, which means I have lost 45 kgs. I just can't believe myself. One small light review I would like to share with the friends present here. That is, I went to my cousin's house in my usual baggy shirt and came out with this t-shirt. My daughter could not recognize me. And my wife got so excited, she planted a kiss in public. But only sorry feeling is, I don't get it for every kg, it was only once in a lifetime. So the fact that something so dramatic, I was just imagining what Madam Gauri said about surgery. I tell you, it is not surgery, it is magic. And Dr. Ramesh and Dr. Tulip, they are the magicians. Of course, ably aided by so many specialists at Vikram Hospital. And one other point I would like to make, of course, being a chartered accountant, it comes natural to me. Don't look at the cost. Please analyze the cost versus benefit. Then you will arrive at the proper decision. The amount of money that has been saved by me in terms of, losing my blood pressure and my diabetic medication has never been a problem. And the longevity that I believe which got added to my life, which I am truly believing, should definitely compensate for the few amounts of rupees that we are giving. Anyway, it is making us more capable to make up that and even more. And the amount of confidence that has given to the concerned person, I think that is not measurable in terms of money. And the great service that the doctor delivers to us and the feel-good factor that we get in Vikram Hospital, it is something that you can't buy with money. Trust me, I am speaking from experience. Nobody has paid me here for me to come and share with you. And last word is, please believe me. That is what I want to request you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Can you believe that I was 128 kilos 4 years ago? You will not. It's a fact. And after the bariatric surgery, I was able to represent the state in softball at the age of 45. And that's the gift I get. You can keep yourself fit. My cholesterol was at the brink. My sugar levels were very bad, and my joints started aching. My menstrual flow was very bad, and I'm a chronic schizophrenic diseased person. I have schizophrenia, mental illness, because of which I started putting on weight. It was uncontrollable. And then later on, it was my brother who told me to do this surgery because his friend was Dr. Ramesh. So once I did it, I'm comfortable now with everything. And of course, the advantage is that you can eat, but not voraciously. You can eat limited food. You can eat anything you feel like, but in a very limited quantity. That will help you. And the thing is, since 4 years, I have been at 71, and later on I put on weight by 4 kgs or 5 kgs, which will, I've come back to 73 now again by doing exercise and dieting. Dieting here, it does not mean that I starve. Dieting means to eat a lot of vegetables and fruits, which is enough for your stomach. And of course, I do binge on oily food, but not much.